I voted for early on in my career are the biggest mistakes that I've made.
My political mistake was not running sooner. In 08, John Biden came to me and I became a bundler for Obama, raising over $150,000, working with him to do all kinds of things to get Obama elected. When Buell came into office his first year, he came to me to pull together a citywide unity breakfast to bring the city together. Jim Moran comes to me asking me to do outreach, asking me to pull minority businesses together. So my thinking that, well, community leadership should help with policy, should help with outreach. And then I see that we put a community organizer in the White House. Well, I think we can now put a community leader in the U.S. House. So my mistake was, you know, just not stepping up sooner.